sister, could you tell me about food chain and food web?
Yes, food chain describe how different organisms eat each other for survival, and chain usually start with the plant, and with the animals. Just like how you saw the plants be eaten by the cantiplum, hot it end of the from stomach. Food chain comprise of the producers, consumer, discomposer, plant producer. They observe select what is ready available, water and the other nutrients from the soil and produce their food through a process called photosynthesis. And also, plant are the only living being which create new energy for the other living being. Start for consumers, animals are consumer. This is because they do not produce the energy, they just use it as. Animals that eat plants are called primary consumer or herbivores. Animals that eat other animals are called secondary consumers or carnivores. If a carnivore eats other carnivore, it is called tertiary consumers. Some animals play both roles, eating plants and animals. They are called omnivores. As for decomposition, bacteria, fungi are decomposers. They are also called detritivores. They eat diameter, that is, dead plants and animals. In the process, they break them down and decompose that. When that happens, they relinquish nutrients and mineral salt back into the soil, which then is used by the plant. Humans are at the end of the food chain. They eat both animals and plants that have consumed from the energy. Now let me continue to the food web. Food web is nature interconnection of different food chain. For food webs are more nature modern than food chain because they show all possible feeding relationship at each feeding level. Some consumer feed at several different levels. The duck in this food web may eat meat, big fish. Omnivores include humans, producers as well as consumers for the different level. Foods webs also have identified limitations in community. Consider what must happen to the food population and pollution lead to the destruction of the plants. The organism is the next feeding level will lose the important food resource. The entire food web would be negatively impinged. That's all for the food web. Please, could you tell me floral energy?
Yes, of course. So all living need energy. They need it to power the process or light. For example, it takes energy to grow. Also, it takes energy to produce or spread. In fact, it takes energy just to stay alive. So you have to remember that producer cannot be creator or distracted. So it can only take from move through ecosystem. For flow of energy, most ecosystems get their energy from the sunlight. So best only producer can use sunlight to make usable energy. So producer converts the sunlight into chemical energy when they eat producers. So they also pass some of the energy onto other customer where they are eaten. There are four main levels. So for number one is producer, number two is primary customer, for number three it is secondary customer, number four is decomposer. For producer, they get energy from the sunlight. This way is the very usable one. For number 2 is primary consumers. For primary consumers, they eat producers. Yeah. For number 3 is secondary consumer. For secondary consumer, they are dependent on primary consumer. They by eating primary consumer. Yeah. For number 4 is decomposer. For decomposer is obtain energy to break it down. So in this way, energy flow from one living thing to others. So in this flow of energy, it can be represented with food chain or food web. Yes. So one thing you might be confused, but uh, for this one is where does this energy goes? So most of energy is lost as heat. Yeah, this is flow energy. Yeah, that's all.